Hello, wealthy, successful traders. This is your trader's friend. Thank you for joining me for another video, guys. I'm so glad you can be here. And I wanted to show you that not every trade that I take works out the way that I want it to work out. So this is a trade that you saw in the really long video, and you can see how we came to redip. Now you can see this beautiful reversal. If you gotten in um, after this candle here with your stop below there, you'll see that stop was never taken out. And you also have another breaking close of that 10, and you were able to follow this price action up beautifully with your stop all along the bottom until you came here to get stopped out. Now I'll tell you, once well, I'm going to suggest this for you. I was going to say for me, once I get stopped out, it means it's time for me to wait. It's time to wait for another trade setup. So I actually got in on this setup because this candle had so much strength in it. And I got stopped out with about 2 or 3 pips worth of profit. And that's what I was telling you about the times that I get stopped out with 1, 2, 3 pips. Once price moves far enough, then I want to protect my protect my position um, as soon as I can. So I protected it, but this was one of those moments that people would say, "Yep, your stop was too tight," and it probably was. However, considering we were going bullish, price could have done anything. And when I got stopped out, I knew it was a period of wait. I left the market to go make a phone call, and it had just come down like crazy by the time I'd gotten back. So the important thing for you to succeed as a trader is to wait for the proper trade setup. Watch the grass grow, watch the paint dry, and most of your days, especially like on a Monday or Tuesday, you're not going to get markets that just flow for you like this. So, and for me now, the European sessions, I'm finding those to be pretty tedious as the trades are not flowing as well as I would like. But that is the business part of trading. Look at it like this. Look at it as if somebody is paying you to just watch the screen all day and do nothing until you see that trade set up. And once you see that trade set up and act on it, that's when they pay you. If you get it wrong, they take your money away. And that's pretty much what trading is. So you are paying yourself to sit up and watch for your trade setups. I want to remind you. Oh, and I will tell you, once I saw this huge rundown, I knew not to get into this market. Or I don't get into these markets because why? I'm at the bottom down here. I at least want a pullback. So at this point, I am going to see if I get a pullback opportunity. If I do not get a pullback opportunity and it closes this candle, then I'm totally out of this market. But hopefully, I I would like to see a shorting opportunity. Oh, okay, there it is. I would like to see an opportunity to reshort this market, and for me, it's going to have to break and close that 10 SMA. So it may do it, it may not, but it gave you a glimpse of what it is I'm looking for. If I come back to break and close that 10, then I am definitely going to get back in because I have closed this pink candle here and I have come to break and close this pink candle as well as that 10 SMA. So that was just a trick trap and price could just completely go back up. At any rate, if I don't get what I'm looking for as a trader, if the market does not show you what it is you are looking for as a trader, stay out. So I guess that's what I'll name this video. Times to stay out of the market. I want to remind you that you can absolutely do this. You can be successful at Forex. Enjoy an amazing, wonderful, pip filled day.